Hey everyone, Elise with Dirt Road Dancing here, and we are going to learn a fun party dance and flex while we're doing it. Yes, we are going to learn the dance flex. It is an easy party dance, 4 walls, 32 counts that you can groove it onto. If you are wanting to learn more cool dances like this, go ahead and subscribe at the bottom. Otherwise, let's get started. All right, we're gonna get started. I'm gonna turn around so you can see what my boots are doing. All right, so our first set of counts, we're gonna start this with our right toe. So we're gonna point that right toe out, we're gonna bring it in, and then we're gonna slide to the right. And then, just like every good line dance, what we do to one side, we're gonna do to the other. So we're gonna take that left toe, we're gonna tap it out, we're gonna bring it in, and we're gonna slide to the left. All right, so let's put some counts behind that. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Tap 1, 2, slide 3, 4, 5, 6, slide 7, 8. All right, let's go ahead and move on to our second set of counts. So we just slid to that left side. So now we're going to take that right heel, we're going to kick it out, we're going to bring it in. We're going to take that left heel, we're going to kick it out, bring it in. And then we're going to kick out that right heel one more time. We're kicking it out. And then we're going to take a quarter turn to the left. So that happens on count 4. Then we're going to do the same thing. We're going to take that right foot. We're going to heel kick it out, bring it in. Our left heel, kick it out, bring it in. Our right heel, kick it out. And then we're going to turn again. So let's go ahead, put some counts behind that. Here we go. Kicking it out. 5, 6, 7, 8. Right. 1 and 2 and 3. Turn 4, 5 and 6 and 7. Turn 8. All right, let's go ahead and put 2 and 2 together. We're taking it from the top. Here we go with that right toe in 5, 6, 7, 8. Tap 1, 2, slide 3, 4, 5, 6, slide 7, 8. Kick 1 and 2 and 3. Turn 4, 5 and 6 and 7. Turn 8. All right, so our third set of counts is all about moving those hips. So we just made a full turn. So technically we're facing the other way, but I'm still gonna face this direction so you can see what my boots are doing. All right, so we just made that turn. We're gonna roll those hips twice to the right. We're gonna do twice to the left. Then we're gonna roll them once on each side for right, left, left. Okay, now there are some variations to this, so however you feel like grooving it, you do that, okay? So let's put some counts behind it. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, let's put all 24 together, taking it from the top, face this way. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Tap 1, 2, slide 3, 4, 5, 6, slide 7, 8. Heel 1 and 2 and 3. Turn 4, 5 and 6 and 7. Turn 8. Roll it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, we are on to our last set of 8 counts. Now this is where your official wall change is gonna come into play. So remember that we're still facing the back wall, but I'm still gonna face this way so you can see what my boots are doing. All right, so we finished up those body rolls. Now what we're gonna do, and this is where another variation comes into play. So you have a couple of options here. We're gonna walk it back. Either way, we're gonna start with that right foot. So you can walk it back for a 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, or you can hop it back for and 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, whatever it's kind of playing in the music, you can totally do either one of those two. Again, it's your dance, you decide. Now, we took those 4 steps back. Now we're going to do a quarter turn to the left. We're going to do what we call a paddle turn. So that right foot is going to help us go to our next wall. And of course, you can put more emphasis in those hips if you wish. All right, let's go ahead. Let's back it up. We'll put some counts behind that. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Back 1, 2, 3, 4. Turn it 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, let's put it all together. The whole shebang. Here we go. Facing this way. Kicking it off with that right toe. 5, 6, 7, 8. Tap 1, 2, slide 3, 4, 5, 6, slide 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3. Turn 4, 5 and 6 and 7. Turn 8. Hips 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Back 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, there you have it. We got to flex in all the ways. So if you are officially ready to dance it out, go ahead and click the link above, and I will see you on the other side.